Yeah, hello, good morning, children. In the last video, we have completed second exercise from the chapter 11, powers and exponents. Okay, children. I hope you all are doing well. So, in this third exercise, what is given here? Express the number appearing in the following statements in standard form. So, we have to convert the given value into standard form. What is the first question? The distance between the earth and the moon is approximately 384,000, sorry, 384 million, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So 384 million meter. So this we have to convert into standard form. Okay. So first of all, rewrite the question. So 384 million meter. Okay. First of all, we will write 384 into 1 million. Okay. Next, 384 into this one we will convert into base 10. Base 10 because 1 million will convert into the base 10. So how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10, 6 you have to write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will convert into 10 to the power of 6. Okay. Next now, here 384 into 10 to the power of 6 million. It's very difficult to remember. So we will convert into the integer part like in the decimal point. So 384 here. How many digits are there? 3 digits are there. So we have to convert into 3 decimal. So 3 decimal means after 3, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So you have to multiply and divide by 100. Okay, because I have to convert into single digit. So single digit after, so in this we have three digits. So how many zeros I have to take? 2 zeros. 2 zeros means how much? 100. So multiply and divide by 100. Now remove this zeros and put the decimal before 8. So now this is 3 and 3.84 into 10 to the power of 6, and this is into 10 to the power of 2. 100 can be written as 10 square. Okay. Now this can be written as into bases are equal, add the powers, 10 to the power of 8 million. This is called standard form. So converting into the single digit. Okay. Or we can say correcting to the single digit. This is called decimal standard form of the given number. Okay. Once again I'll revise. 384 million meter. Okay. So first what I have done is 384 into, I have just separated the zeros. Okay. And we just converted them into the base 10. What is that base 10? 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. We will multiply. If you want, we will multiply. 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000, 1000 tens are 10,000, 10,000 tens are lakhs, 10,000, one second. This we will convert. 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000, 1000 tens are 10,000, 10,000 into 10, 100,000, 100,000 into 10, 1 million. So this is converted into 1 million. So this is how much? 10 to the power of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 to the power of 6. Okay, so here 384 into 10 to the power of 6. Now what I have done is, we have 3 digits, so I have to correct to the decimal point of 3. So right side, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So with the 2 zeros of like 100, you have to multiply and divide by 100. Then after multiplying and dividing, I am cancelling the denominator zeros to place the decimal into the numerator. So 1, 2, 0 side cutted, cancelled, then 1 2 before 2 digits I just kept the decimal. Now this will be the standard form. 3.84 into 10 to the power of 6 into 100 also we can convert into 10 square. Then 10 to the power of 6 plus 2, because bases are equal, I just added the powers. So this is called the standard form of the given distance between the earth and moon. Okay, next question. What is the next question? The universe is estimated. Yes, children. Second question. The universe is estimated to be about 12 billion. See, units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion. So 12 billions. I'm just rewriting. Okay, rewriting the question. 12 billion. First of all, what we have to do, 12 you write separately and the remaining billion you write 12 into 1 billion. So 100, 3 zeros altogetherly. How many zeros are there? Now I explained how to convert into base 10. Now from the next question onwards, you can do directly as 10 to the power, count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can write directly 10 to the power 9. Okay, now I have to convert this into 1 point. So 1 point decimal number, that means after 1 how many digits are there? 1 digit. So what you have to do is multiply and divide by 10. Okay, multiply and divide by 10. Now removing this 0 and placing 1 decimal before 2. So 1.2 into 10 to the power of 9 into 10 to the power of 1. This is nothing but power 1. Okay. Now what I have to do is 1.2 into 10 to the power of 10 years old. Okay. 10 years. Okay, so the universe is estimated to be about 12 billion years old. So this we have converted into the standard form, that is what, 1.2 into 10 to the power of 10. Okay, 10 to the power of 10 years. Okay children, now we will go to the next question. Yeah, third question is direct answer children. Here nothing is there to multiply and divide. Okay, so I will write the question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So here all the zeros are given. Directly you can write. You just count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 3 into 10 to the power of 20. Directly you can write. That's all. Okay. Next question. The last question children here. The earth has approximately cubic kilometer of sea water. So this is 1 billion. Okay. Next question, fourth one. Yes children, this is the last question of this chapter. Not only exercise, it's a last question of chapter also. The earth has approximately 1 million units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. Okay, 1 billion 353 billion, 1 billion 353 millions. Okay, now first of all we will write 1353 into how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 to the power of 6 you can write directly children. Next, now 1 after how many digits are there? This we have to convert into decimal number. So 1353 into 10 to the power of 6 into 1 2 3. This means how many, what is the number we have to multiply and divide? 1000, because 3 decimal point we have to correct. 1 2 3 1 2 3. So place the decimal before 3. Okay, now this will be 1.353 into 10 to the power of 6 into 10 to the power of 3. 1 2 3 decimal, 3 zeros, no, 10 to the power of 3. Next, this is the final answer. 0.353 into, add the powers, 10 to the power of 6 plus 9 is 6 plus 3 is 9. This is what answer, meters. Okay, galaxy is earth has approximately cubic kilometer of sea water. So 1.353 into 10 to the power of 9 cubic meter. Okay, where is the question? Yeah, cubic kilometer. So cubic kilometer. Okay, once again, 1 billion. So I just separated the 1000 into the remaining zeros. I converted into the base 10, and next 3 digits I have to correct to the decimal. So I just multiplied and divided by 1000. Then 3 zeros of denominator I cancelled it, and I placed a decimal before 3 digits. Then next again 1.353 into 10 to the power of 6 is as it is, and this 1000 can be converted into 10 base 10 cube. And in the next step, what I have done, as it is I have noted 1.353 into, I just added the powers as bases are equal. 6 plus 3 is 9. This is kilometer cube. Okay, and I hope you all understanding very well, and you are practicing perfectly also. So thank you for listening my videos.